Rabara for 3. Off the mark, rebound, and a putback on go, rebound, Reyes. Kumaldag off the window. Back for 2, Reyes. To number 2, pass to the goal. Ooh, pass inside, great. Off the target. Racacho put back, one go. Still Racacho put back again. Bakit? A strong move by Racacho. And attacks. No look pass on the fading away. And a bagged for 2. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Intertown ng Ilocos Norte. Vinci Cup para sa laban ng Badoc at Curimaao. Jump ball. And oops, goes to Badoc. And pass to number 17. Drives, pass on the inside, picks, clutch, fires, won't go. And rebound by number 11. Rabara. Pass to Reyes. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Pass to Reyes. Bounce pass to Reyes. Is stolen away. Knocks away and recovers. Pass on the easy bucket first pass. Kicks out for 3. Rabara off the mark. Rebound Reyes. And this Rabara for 3. Bam! Balls out. Here's number 2 for Team Badoc. And a pass. And pass for 3. Cabiles off the mark. Still rebound. Luna sa 3. Bam! 3 points. And here's Reyes to Reyes. Reyes for 3. Oh, too strong. Luna the rebound. And pass to the corner. Picks, clutch. To number 2. Pass to the corner. Ooh, pass inside. Great. And Reyes. Bounce pass to Rabara. To Reyes. Pass to the corner. Ooh, Racacho spins. Takes clutch ko. So, foul pa lang inabot. And for the backdoor inbound for Team Curimaao. Reyes open for the corner. Pulls up Jay. Won't go. Battle for the rebound. Racacho. The rebound and the finish. Corner. Holds the ball. Number 18 for Team Badoc. Number 11 Cabiles for 3. Bang! Cabiles. Backdoor inbound for Curimaao. Racacho floater shot. Here's Rabara. Cabiles. Pass to Luna. Fakes. Pass to Tagaw. Here's Reyes. Reyes on Hari. Reyes. Oh, basket and one. Cabiles is slowly dribbling the ball. The crossover and attacks. No look pass on the fading away. And a bucket for 2. Rabara holds the ball. Pass to the middle. Reyes to Reyes. Reyes drives. Reverse layup. Won't go. Racacho put back off the window. Bucket for 2. And here's number 8. And pass to Reyes. Pass to Rabara. Racacho. Rabara for 3. Off the mark. Rebound and a putback. Won't go. Rebound Reyes. Kumaldag off the window. Bucket for 2. The rebound. And here you go. Rabara the save. Rabara stops. Reyes wide open for 3. Off the target. Racacho put back. Won't go. Still Racacho put back again. Bucket. A strong move by Racacho. And here's Cabiles. Cabiles stops. Pull up Jay. Short. And Reyes. Reyes. Pasa kay Racacho. Bucket for 2. Racacho to the corner. Pass back. Cabiles. Cabiles. Pass and the finish. And here's Reyes. Reyes to number 8. Reyes to Reyes. Pass to Reyes pa rin. Reyes dribbling the ball. Pass to Reyes pa rin. Pass to Reyes pa rin. Puro Reyes na to. Sa corner. Sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Nagmamadali. Side step. Place. Won't go. Battle for the rebound. Rabara. Reyes all the way. Bucket is good. And here's number 24. No look pass. Luna will drive. Floater. Row short. And here's Rabara. Rabara all the way again. Lays. Oh! Dribbling the ball. Reyes. Pass to Rabara. Open for 3. Bang! Goal. No good. And it's number 22. Reyes. Pass to Goliano. Kitoriano is stolen. And a pass break. Behind the back pass. Floater. Back for 2. And a backdoor inbound for Team Corimao. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Pass inside. Nakoply. Basket and 1 with 1. And ball stolen. And here pass off the window. Wala rebound. Oops. For Team Corimao. And pass on the inside. Reyes ang pinasa. Agaw Reyes. Reyes stalled. Goal pass on the Doles. Pasok yan. Na Tolentino. Once pass na Agaw. Reyes all alone. Reyes. Ay! Sayang. Tinignan pa yung ring. And once again. One more. And alley-oop pass. The love pass and the finish. The backdoor inbound pass back na Agawan. Reyes with the ball. And a pass back. Reyes. Reyes, pass to number 88 for 3. Bam! 3-point! And setting the play. And pass back. Vargas. And Wild for 3. Bang! The answer, Valdez. Reyes. Reyes. Pinasakay na Cable. Cable. Pass back Cable to Reyes. To the corner. Pull up J. Bucket. Play. Vargas. Pass to the middle. Pull up J. Wasay. Bucket for 2. Wasay. Looking for the receiver. Pass to number 8. And Racacho. Last shot clock down to 8. States. Oh! Explode one. Flips in by Racacho. And here's Rabara. Panggandang pass. Adala pass. And a good. And with the ball. Stops. Wide open. Vargas. Bang! 3-point. And here's Reyes. Oops. Rabara. And here's Gonzalez. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Pass to Gonzalez for 3. Bang! Off the glass. Reyes. Oops. Nakalusot. Lays. Won't go. Cabiles. Pass to Luna. Luna. Hook pass. Pass to the middle. For 3. Bang! 3-point. Pass to Rabara. Rabara. Bounce pass. Reyes. Corner 3. Too strong. And the long pass. Drives. Floater. Bucket for 2. Pass to Reyes. Pass to Reyes. Reyes with the ball. He's slowly dribbling the ball. Pass to the corner. Racacho. Pass to Reyes. Oh! Pick and roll. Gonzalez with the ball. Pass to Cable. Reyes. Reyes. Oops, natapikan. Knocks away. Stolen. And waits Cabiles. Easy bucket for Cabiles. And that's the end. Third quarter action here. And post to Palpal mula sa likod. Flake touch pass. And basket and 1. Pass to number 8 Reyes. Pass to Rabara. Rabara atake. Pull up jumper at the free throw. And a bucket. Cabiles. To the corner, pass back Cabiles. Cabiles, side step, no look pass. Whoa, no, for 3 Luna, no good. Rebound, put back off the glass. Cabiles, Cabiles, pinasa. Oh, libre off the glass. Bucket for 2. Reyes to Rabara. Rabara. Pass to Reyes, is stepping back. Wide open for 3. Too strong. Rebound. Racacho. Fires off the window. Racacho. And bounce pass. Wasay. Pull up jumper. Bucket for 2. Yes. Number 15. Behind the back. 3 ball. Dumistancia. Balik kay number 8. Reyes. Reyes. Stops. Rabara. Cross pass. Rayas. Reyes, stepping back, pull up J, bucket for 2, Reyes, sa gitna, bounce pass, Wasay to the corner, and here's Cabiles, no look pass off the window, and good shot, and here's Reyes, Pass to the middle, 3 on 2. Reyes. Oh, that's good. Gonzalez for the finish. And pass to number 18, Wasay. Pass back, Cabiles. Cabiles drives to the middle. The lays up. Walang guardia. Easy to Reyes to Reyes. Put Reyes for 2. Door inbound for Team Badok. Pinasa kay number 28, Saluna. Stress. Bang! Nating Batane. Riles. Passing number 28. Tries a 3. Bang! Nating. Down to 12 points. Behind the back. 3 ball. Reyes. Reyes pass on the middle loop. Stogen knocks away. And the recover. Rabara tries a 3. Too strong. Rebound. And a pass break. Cabiles on Harry. 2 on 2. Cabiles. Pass. Oh! What a spectacular points lead. And it's Reyes to Reyes. Reyes sa atake mula sa gitna. Oops. Oops. Ooh. Atake, fires off the window. So back for 2. And there's Reyes. Reyes, bounce pass. Pass to Reyes. Pass to the middle. Kitoriano, pull up J. Bucket for 2. Kitor. And Cabiles. Pass at Reyes. Bang! 3 points. And there's Reyes. And 7-point lead for Team Corimao. Reyes attacks, fires, so strong. Kitoriano the rebound. Oh, loses the ball. Oh, nakuha ni Cabiles. Cabiles on Harry. Pinasa, no look pass, Lace. Won't go. Rebound, put back. Oh, Cabiles. And 5-point lead for Team Corimao. Between the legs. And Reyes, oops, almost lost. Wide open, Gonzalez. Bam! Back to 8 points. Tuna. And this Calio loses the ball. Pinasa Cabiles for 3. Too strong. Oh, rebound, put back. Oh! Bucket for 2. At the basket. Rabara. Pass to Reyes. Reyes to Reyes. Reyes holds the ball. Dreamy ball. And pass to the corner. Rabara to Reyes. To Reyes. Reyes. Pull up jumper. Short. Rebound. And it's Valdez. Stops. No look pass. Fakes. Fires. Won't go. And it's Rabara. Pass to Reyes. Straight to the hoop. Slays. Bucket for 2. 9 points. Pass to Reyes. To Reyes. Reyes to the middle. Drive. Slays. Too strong. Put back shot. In and out. Again. Put back. And strong move. Nag-flex. And the Soos na tapiran na tawan. And Reyes. Oh my foul. At the floor yung dalawa. Backdoor inbound. And here's Reyes. Wide open for 3. Left alone. Won't go. Rebound Cabiles. 2 on 3. 3 on 1. Reyes, too strong. Rebound. Uy! Grabe yun. 3 laban sa 1. Ang ganda ng depensa ni Rabara. Corner pass. Wasay with the ball. Pass to the middle. Pass to Wasay. 5 foul. And the foul. Basket. And down to 5. 5 points, mga idol. Here's Corimao. To the middle, Barab and Reyes. Kitoriano tries a 3. Bam! 3 points. And here's Iglesia. And here's Wasay. Pull up jumper. Short. And Wasay the rebound. Pass sa gitna. Pinas sa gilid. Pinabitin off the glass. Bucket for 2. And here's Reyes. Kitoriano. Pass to the middle. Rabara. Pass inside to Reyes. Reverse layup. Bucket for 2. Reyes with the ball. And to Rabara. To the corner. Kitoriano spins. Kitoriano floater off the glass. Bucket for 2. And it's Luna to the corner. Stepping back for 3. Too short. And bumalik. Floater. Wasay with the finish. Down to 13. And it's Reyes. 10 seconds shoot. Corner pass. Open for 3. Rabara. Bang! Rabara. And it's Luna. Pass to Vargas. Wasa will drive. Pull up. Won't go. Oy! Reyes. Rabara. And last 2 minutes. Oops, natapikan. Oops, tinamaan sa mukha. Yes, drives crossover. Binitbit. Supalpal. Traveling. Mapapa-defense dito ang team. Oops, Rich kicks out to Corimao. Nakuha ng Corimao. Uy, stolen back. Fires, wala. Rebound. Space, lays, back for 2. Long pass. Reyes. Nakalusot. All the way. Reyes sinawsaw. Too strong. May foul. No basket. No basket. Backdoor inbound for team. Corimao, corner pass, Reyes. Pass to the middle, Reyes. Umatake. Lays off the glass, Reyes. Corner pass sa 3. Bang! 3 points. And Yuga Victorio wide open for 3. Bang! Kito. Stops, Cabiles for 3. Easy bucket, Reyes. Tres Luna. Bang! Luna! Congratulations. Team Corimao.